Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. For our news, I am Nan. In this tutorial, we're gonna see how WordPress Playground works. WordPress has introduced a very fast live WordPress testing environment called WordPress Playground. Using Playground, you can set up live WordPress in just one click. Let's check it out. So we are at our browser. We can see we are at developer.wordpress.org. So let's go a little bit down and we can see WordPress Playground here. So let's click here. So we are at WordPress Playground homepage. So you can see there are lots of information. You can read all of them. So there is a call to action button. Let's click here to set up our new WordPress instance in just one click and in just 10 seconds. Okay. So you can see our WordPress instance is ready, almost ready. So here is a notice called when you will refresh the page, everything will be gone. So our site is ready now. So we can see this is PHP 8.0 and WordPress 6.4. As this is the WordPress 6.4 and WordPress 6.4 is released soon. So this is white space. We just want to see the settings. We can see that we can customize the playground. Right now we are using PHP 8.0. So let's do it for 7.4 and the WordPress version should be 6.3 as 6.3 is stable now. So click on apply changes. We can see that, okay. And we can click here again. Okay, so our WordPress 6.3 instance is going to be ready soon and let's count down. WordPress is preparing itself. It's logging in. Okay, great. So our new setup is ready. So we can go to our dashboard from here. See, this is our new dashboard and our setup is quite ready. Basically, the website is into an iframe mode. We don't like the iframe mode. We want to see the full browsing mode. So for this, we'll hover it and go to dashboard, but hold the command key if we are Mac user, hold the control key if we are the Windows user and click. So let's see, we can easily browse our full site mode. Okay, so this is full site mode and if we want to visit our site, we can also visit our site. Let's see, this is the full site mode, not the iframe mode. To install themes and plugins, we can use the manual mode or we can use the query API. So we can click add new to install the theme. We can't search here. Right now it is in beta version and the search won't work. So we'll upload our theme manually. So we have downloaded a theme to upload it. So please choose the file. We'll click the Asta theme. Okay, Asta is there. Let's open it and install it. So see, the theme is installed. So click activate to activate the theme. Okay, so we can see the Asta theme is activated here. So if we want to see is it properly installed or not, cool, the theme is already installed here. So let's install the theme and plugin with the query API. So for this, if we see the WordPress Playground page has linked query API documentation. If we go below, you can see query API is linked here. If we click here, we can see the link query API here, and we can see that there is a documentation to install the theme. So for this, we should pass the parameter theme and plugin to our URL. So here we can paste with an and sign. The theme should be new theme and the plugin should be query monitor. Okay, monitor. So let's install it with the query API. We have used the Slack. So we have here we are using the theme equal to name and the plugin equal to the plugin name. So basically this is going to install the new instance for us with this theme and the plugin. So let's see the NIP theme or the query monitor plugin is going to be installed here or not. We can see that NIP theme is going to be installed here and activated. Query monitor is also going to be activated here. Wow. Query API is working fine. So we can see that our NIP theme is properly activated, and also Query API is also activated here. So this is how the Query API works. If you want to know the more details, you can see the documentation of Query API here and read out and check it yourself. Basically, if you refresh the page, everything will be gone. To get it back, you have to just export the zip file and you will have to import it to get it back. Let's see how to do it. So if we want to import or export our instance after the testing we have done, we should use the iframe mode. If we are using the browsing mode, we can use the import or export feature because there are no icon to import or export right now. So go to the iframe mode. Please don't remove the iframe mode from one tab. Click here, a little icon to export the site. So it will take some time. Okay, it's come. So let's name it one site and save to our local storage right now. So let's see the zip file we have downloaded here. So we can see the one site.zip is a zip file of our new instance. So we should backup it here. So after that, if we want to import it in our another site, we should have to install a new setup. So for this, we'll go to playground.wordpress.net. It will take some time to reinstall a new instance for us. So let's see if we are ready. Okay, I think we are ready. So to import our previous instance, we can click the import button. So choose our file from the devices. Okay, here is the zip file. We have to open it and import from here. So it file already imported. The playground instance has been updated. So click the OK. So let's see, we can find our previous instance or not. We can see that the previous instance is ready for us and imported. Don't remember to backup your file and always try to update your backup. And after that, you can import your update file here and you can enjoy whatever you want to do. Thank you for watching the video. Hit subscribe button to get more videos like that. Hopefully we're gonna meet in our next video. Take care.